Hi guys, this is Pratham Chaudhary and I'm today going to show you my library which is named as Whiz library, and this is basically the table in which I write down the contents of who have taken how many days and the amount they have to pay. So basically the this is the slot number, like the number of children who have taken order-wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the students' name who have taken the books. They are Pratham, Pratyush, Raj, Ron and Vidisha. This is the class from which the students belong. This is the book ID, and this is the book which has that ID, and this is the category in which the book has been placed particularly. These are the rent per days for the books. The rent per day for the books are equal for all of them because it's a library based. Now these are the date on which the books were issued, and from that date to today it comes up to 14, 18, 16, 15 and 17 days respectively for Pratham, Pratyush, Raj, Ronan and Vidisha. And this is the total amount which I have to pay, where I have used this formula G4 equals to G4, which is this cell rent per day, into I4. This is the cell in which the number of days has been calculated. So basically I'll go on with the table explaining how it works. This is conditional formatting, which I have done from a format tab. I go to conditional formatting and I have used two rules. One rule says that if the value is greater than or equal to 80, it will color the box as red, which means that it has gone beyond the cost and the person has to pay. And if the value is less than or equal to 79, it says the value is in limit and the person can pay later on. Now in the number of days, it seems like clear cells, but it has a data validation which says that enter number more than 0. Like if I try entering a digit as 0, it won't. And if I try entering a digit as -5, it won't. It has been applied in all cells across the number of days. Like see, let's try it over here. It doesn't. Now these are now when I created the table, these one if you go through this, you'll see that the names are arranged according to the alphabetical order. So basically for that I selected the table leaving the slot number. Why I left the slot number I'll be explaining later on. So I selected it from Pratham onwards till this. I went to data, sort range, and here I took the column. Like the names were in column B, so I took it as column B, and I took it from A to Z like alphabetical order. Now it's in alphabetical order as ascending order. I can take it as descending order too, like I'll show you, and it's like done. See, and see the order of the books and book ID has also been changed. Like earlier it was Pratham, Harry Potter, fiction, and now it is Vidisha, learning Java and computer. And even these have changed. And now I have used the filter option, which I just took it from here. Now I turn off the filter. Again turn it on, and now if I want to see a class, like I only want to see I don't want to see the class students of class 9, I can just remove the tick mark from here, and the class 9 has been removed. And like I show you again. Now I don't want to see the students of class 5 and 6, and I click OK, and now they are removed. Now if I want to see them according to the category, if I want to see the ones who have just not paid the total amount above 80 rupees, so I just remove 85 and 90, and the whole column gets removed. So basically this was all from the main editing part. Now all left is the formatting. So basically I have used all borders and I have colored up to these cells and this, and I've used headings and different colors, emphasizing fonts, except for this one because it was conditionally formatted. And uh, the color theme has been maintained all across the chart, and that would be done even if it is created further.